Alright, so practice makes perfect, so let's keep going with a few examples. So I just drew a simple green circle and a blue circle. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of my elements. My mistake for a while was not selecting anything, going straight to the shape builder tool and going, hey, it won't let me click on anything. You'll want to go ahead and highlight everything and then it'll know how to create its shapes. So let's go to the shape builder tool again and we can add or subtract. I'd actually want to subtract this overlapping area. So I'm going to hold down the Option key, or if you're on a Windows, the Alt key, and click once and boom, just like that. I've created my unique shape. And this actually created two different shapes if I wanted to mess around with that a little bit. But I actually want to combine this into one solid object. So once again, select all, select my tool, and I'm going to add these. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to draw my line and select that as well. And now I have one solid element now. One mistake you could do is, let's go ahead and select them all. You can click on the shape builder tool and you can just draw a line saying I want to select these two. But there's this little shape in the middle that counts as a shape. So if I select all of them, it'll create this really strange object as well. It'll actually just combine the two original circles. So let's go ahead and try that one more time. I'm going to select them all. Shape builder tool, I'm going to go select this green shape, and I'm going to skip that middle shape and select this one. And boom, that's how I'm able to keep that center part removed.